the day is Brambles. So you've most likely heard that it has decided not to provide suppliers to Costco with a plastic pallet pool. So it's not going to contribute to that. It says that it does still have a strong relationship with Costco in the US and its suppliers. However, not able to agree on commercial terms and price premiums. It does not expect a shortage of demand for its pallets stateside and expects to see continued improvement in the underlying profit through to FY25. So, do our experts find Brambles palatable? Dad joke there. Okay. What do you think? I mean, if you're an existing shareholder, are you breathing a sigh of relief? Is this prudent capital management at this time, or are they missing out on a huge opportunity?
Is it because it's plastic that they're not?
Part of the reasoning I was told is that the input cost prices for doing it makes it uneconomic.
Right. But then treated wood for their other pallets is pretty carcinogenic, and they're really heavy, and
lumber's been so expensive as well.
Expensive. So yeah, I don't know.
Well, I'm not going to put the case for Brambles forward. I just want to know if you buy, hold, or sell it.
Okay. Look, if you to your original question, if you hold it, I would definitely hold it. I think it was under takeover, but then wasn't under takeover, so they stepped away. So I think that there is definite interest in the stock. Brambles one of those stocks that really hasn't done much for the last 10 years, and if you look at the chart, it's just moved sideways. It really hasn't done much. So I think over the longer period, Brambles has been a good quality business, always in the top 20, top 50 stocks, so it always has that sort of institutional flow. But for me, it's not one that I invest in. So if you hold it, hold it. If no fresh capital at the moment, I think there's better places to be.
Jim Bay.
Yeah, I'm probably sitting there similarly. I'm currently not investing in Bramble, I think, but if you hold it, you hold it. So we should experience a bit of relief rally on the back of that, because people worry about all these investment that's going into it, or the ESG and all of these sort of things. And then by them stepping away, is actually you will see 5% or so sort of uplift, or 5 to 10% uplift. But that's about it. But in terms of fundamental, lumber cost is a big cost for these guys, and that has since come back 50% or so for this business. So result will be pretty good, pretty defensive. Share price performed well relative to a weak market. So it's kind of just thereabouts. People tend to pair this company with Amcor, and relatively I prefer Amcor compared to Bramble, even though Bramble, on 17 times, Amcor somewhat similar, but Amcor has had far more, a lot of cost headwind in the last 6 months, and now they're all coming off. So relatively, I think it's probably a bit more interesting compared to Brambles.
Yeah. I agree. Amcor's better business.
Got it. All right, guys. Thank you. That's the stock of the day.